Hi, I'm Jeannine Bogard with Syngenta Flowers. I'd like to give you a great gardening tip right now, and just as a heads up that we had an extreme heat wave here about a week and a half ago. It was 109 degrees here. I'm in Gilroy, California, by the way, sweltering, and you can see the curling on the foliage here. It's not a disease, and I've been seeing on social media a lot of folks out there concerned about their tomato plants and how the curling of the leaves is going on, and they think they're being attacked by a disease or an insect. Nah, it's just heat stress is what's happening, and that's a natural defense for a lot of tomatoes, is that when they get under heat stress conditions that you will see the curling of the leaves. So I'm not concerned about this at all. The other thing that's going on right now is we're under really high wind conditions here. What I am concerned about, which you will be getting comments about, is under high wind conditions, the fruit is very difficult for to get complete pollination on there. And there's this thing called a zipper, and I know you've all seen it over time, where you see that little gray stripe across the plant. Well, that has to do with high wind conditions during your pollination period. And so nothing to be concerned about. You can just cut around it when you get to your ripe tomatoes. Go ahead and eat it. But anyway, that's my little gardening tip for you today.